banget ya guys, kalau pergantian tahun tinggal hitungan jam aja. Anyway, kamu mau merayakan tahun baru di mana nih? Kalau Cia dan Febrian masih mau liburan di New Zealand, tepatnya di Queenstown. Yang pasti, perayaan tahun baru ini beda banget deh. Gak percaya? Makanya ikutin kita terus ya. Queenstown memang salah satu kota yang terkenal di Pulau Selatan. Selain memang jadi surganya olahraga adrenalin, di sini juga terkenal dengan pemandangan yang bakal bikin gak berhenti foto-foto deh.
Aku seneng banget tau gak sih hari ini?
Kenapa tuh?
Karena kita mau jalan-jalan ngeliat peternakan.
Peternakan?
Iya.
Kalau aku sih senang banget juga weekenders.
Kenapa?
Karena aku mau mencukur bulu domba. Karena aku udah lama gak cukur rambut.
Kamu jadi pengen mencukur orang lain gitu ya?
Iya.
Binatang lain supaya kamu kelihatan kayak yang cukuran.
Padahal aku bukan tukang cukur rambut ya. Tapi pengen penasaran aja karena setiap perjalanan tuh selama di New Zealand kayak ngelihat di kanan kiri tuh fluffy shape
Iya,
gitu.
karena kan emang
kayak pengen nyukur gitu
New Zealand
berawalnya.
tuh soalnya kan emang terkenal sama peternakannya, makanya kita mau lanjut. Nah, cuman uniknya nih, kita akan naik kapal menuju peternakan.
Ini dia kapalnya.
Nih.
Cerobong asap. Yay, let's
Kita
go.
dulu.
Are you guys ready for a real journey? Kalau udah siap, yuk ikut naik kapal ini. Trip ini akan bawa kita ke sebuah peternakan yang melewati Danau Wakatipu menggunakan steamship TSS Earnslaw. For your information, kalau kapal uap ini sudah beroperasi dari tahun 1912 loh dan masih berfungsi sampai sekarang. Wow!
Kita sekarang udah ada di dalam kapalnya nih. Kalau tadi kan kita mau naik kapal. Nah, jadi itu adalah satu paket. Karena kalau kita mau ke peternakan, kita naik kapal ini. Seru ya?
Iya, dan perjalanannya ke sana itu 45 menit.
Nah,
45 menit kita ngelihat pemandangannya memang nggak akan bosan sih. Tapi kan kadang-kadang kalau anak-anak muda kayak kita gini sebentar-sebentar bosan, sebentar-sebentar bosan. Makanya di sini tuh banyak banget yang bisa dilakuin. Ada apa aja di sini ya? Banyak. Ayo ikutin kita terus.
Jangan takut bosan, karena di kapal ini banyak banget yang bisa kamu coba. Kayak Cia dan Febrian ini nih.
Kita sekarang udah ada di atas kapal nih. Dan kita mau ke ruang skippernya atau yang ngemudiin kapal ini.
jadi kita pengen lihat sebenarnya kayak apa sih, kan kita biasa cuma naik-naik doang ya. Kalau nyetir susah nggak sih sebenarnya?
Yes.
Yuk.
Yuk.
Good morning. Welcome. Yes.
Wow.
Welcome to the ship. Yes. What do you think? Lovely. Yeah, pretty nice, isn't it?
So you're controlling everything from here.
We are. This is the captain. This is where the captain lives and does the job. So we've got the steering wheel, of course. This is all 105 years old.
Really?
Yeah,
And it's still working properly?
It's perfect.
It's hard to drive.
Have a try. Hold the wheel.
I?
Yes.
Jump up.
Hold the wheel. There you go. You won't hurt it. Please just
Okay.
there. Ah, perfect.
Okay.
Just keep it going straight towards Walter Peak.
Popeye the sailor
Yeah.
man, sailor woman.
Nenek moyangku seorang pelaut.
Wah.
Okay then. Thank you so much, Captain.
Hey, it's our pleasure.
Yeah.
Our pleasure.
Probably I'm gonna look around the ship
Good.
and
Yeah.
taking videos and photos and everything.
Well, everywhere you look, there's another photo, isn't there? You can have mountains, you can have lake, you can have the ship, you can have you, you can have me.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Our pleasure.
Bye.
Our pleasure.
Cam.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
You've been on my mind. We used to be so crazy a few weeks ago.
Perjalanan di atas kapal ini bener-bener gak akan kebosenin, soalnya ditemenin sama lagu-lagu. Terus nih ya, ada seorang teman aku yang mau menyumbangkan suaranya. Ini kayak di kawinan-kawinan gitu nih, langsung aja. Febrian.
No, there's a cross for a
bisa lihat langsung proses pembakaran batu bara. Tapi hati-hati ya, karena ruangan ini panas banget. Terakhir, kamu yang penasaran sama sejarah kapal ini bisa dapetin jawabannya di mini museum ini.
I won't forget you. I wake up smiling every morning. Yeah, I don't mind sleeping alone. The people ask me,
Yeay, kita udah nyampe. Wah, bagus banget.
but I ain't been thinking about.
Wah, bagus banget. Makin gak sabar kita buat ngeliat di sini ada apa. Ayo kita ke peternakannya yuk.
Ayo.
And I'm just caught.
Baru sampai di Walter Peak, Cia dan Febrian harus buru-buru ke tempat pertama.
I ain't been thinking about you.
It's time to farm show.
Been thinking about.
Our moccasins there, Kapal. So just the animal feed that we do have today.
Kita sekarang lagi
What's
mau
going to be happening
nonton
today, once we've done the farm show very shortly, we'll be underway with the sheep shearing, and then we will invite you. As you're coming across to the amphitheatre, you may have seen a paddock there. So we'll do a dog demonstration. Simone here, she's not too far away, she'll be over here.
I talk with a mouthful, but I couldn't be sweeter. Yup, I'm a cutie in my own way. I won't play, follow the leaders, and I don't look like them.
Itu bulunya tebal banget ya, bisa dijadiin karpet langsung. Wow, what a sexy leg.
Peternak di sini nggak usah diragukan lagi dalam hal mencukur bulu domba. Dalam waktu super singkat, tara! Semua bulu sudah tercukur tanpa terputus.
Dari satu domba aja bisa jadi kayak sebanyak itu ya, bisa kayak langsung permadani ya.
Kita habis ini mau ke tempat yang selanjutnya. Jadi ini tuh tadi cuma stop pertama. Yang selanjutnya kita ngapain?
Habis ini kita bakalan ngeliat sesuatu yang seru lagi. Kalau gitu ikutin kita terus.
Belum selesai guys, masih ada yang seru di sini. Lihat tuh.
Deep in my bones. Kicking a habit I love even harder. You wanna know?
Lucu banget Pikaners tuh. Si anjingnya tuh lagi menggiring dombanya. Good job. Can we learn how to do something with the sheep? Like tell the dogs how to do something. You have a code for?
Yes, so we have commands on the dog. So Jess has got 5 learnt commands.
Can you show us maybe with
You want an example?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's her drive left.
Oh,
Okay.
Sparks her up. And yeah. Do you want another example?
Yep.
That's her stop, so just
Oh,
stop. Yeah, so
Mm.
she's just an example of that. It is really important though, you do want your dogs constantly moving on those sheep. Helps them to move as well, so another common one just to get her to walk up towards those sheep is. So, yeah, so it takes years. It'll take about 2 years for them to learn those commands though. So just small steps, but once you've got it, very rewarding and it's so useful.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
thank you
You're
so
more than
much,
welcome.
yeah.
I hope you're enjoying your time.
Okay,
here.
and bye.
Yes, and thank you, Jess.
Thank you, Jess.
Been a good girl. Hasn't
Have a
you?
nice day.
Yes,
Bye.
you too. All the best. See you guys.
Masih banyak yang seru di Queenstown loh. Gak percaya? Makanya ikutin Weekend List terus ya.